Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar, and in this video, we are going to check out the top dash cams in the market for 2020. If you don't know what a dash cam is and why it's useful, here's a quick summary that you can pause and read. And a dash cam's listed based on price, quality, durability, and overall performance. So, let's get started. At number 5 is the IROAD X9. The IROAD X9 is one of the best dash cams for extreme temperatures. It is built to withstand a temperature range between minus 35 to 90 degrees Celsius and a humidity index of up to 95%, making it an extremely reliable choice for use in hot or tropical climates like Texas. In fact, IROAD is constantly one of the top best-selling dash cams across Asia, including places like Singapore, Malaysia, and Hong Kong. With the X9, you get full HD recording from the front and rear camera at 150 degree ultra-wide lens field of view. Design-wise, the X9 sports a sleek and smaller design than that of its closest competitors, including the THINKWARE F800 Pro and the BLACKVUE DR750S. The camera lens is rotatable up to 90 degrees, offering great flexibility. The X9 also comes with many of the premium features you would come to find in a premium dash cam, including parking mode and advanced driver assistance system, ADAS. All these contribute to a higher standard of protection and safety on and off the road and puts the X9 right in the league with brands like THINKWARE and BLACKVUE. Unfortunately, the X9 is not cloud compatible, so if you're in the market for a cloud-ready dash cam, you definitely do not want to miss the rest of this list. At number 4 is the THINKWARE Q800 Pro. The Q800 Pro is a twin camera setup with wide-angle front and rear cameras, providing comprehensive coverage. The front-facing main camera records at up to 2K QHD and features a polarizing filter, while the rear camera has full HD capabilities. And as one of THINKWARE's higher-end units, the Q800 Pro is pretty well spec'd. It comes with a suite of driver warning systems, including forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and forward vehicle departure alert, along with speed camera alerts. The Q800 Pro also comes with built-in GPS and Wi-Fi with cloud connectivity. This allows for cloud features like geofencing, vehicle location, driving impact notifications, all from your smartphone using the free mobile app. Anytime, anywhere, even when you're away from your vehicle. THINKWARE's Super Night Vision 2.0 technology offers up to 10 times the brightness in dark environments, allowing the Q800 Pro to record in any light situation on and off the road. Both the front and rear-facing cameras are also equipped with motion detecting parking mode, time-lapse recording, and energy-saving parking mode. And like all high-end THINKWARE dash cams, the Q800 Pro features a built-in voltage meter that acts as an added layer of protection to prevent vehicle battery drainage and wear and tear. Design-wise, the Q800 Pro sports the same design as the previous flagship F800 Pro. In fact, the only major difference between the two models is the hardware inside the front-facing camera. This is great news if you're looking to upgrade from the F800 Pro, because all you need to do is swap out the front camera. The power cable, rear camera, and connecting cable are all the same. Making the number 3 spot on our list is the BLACKVUE DR900 2CH IR. 4K UHD plus infrared makes the DR900S 2CH IR the top choice for taxis, Uber, Lyft, and rideshare drivers. This dash cam is currently the only 4K model on the market that comes with an in-cabin camera. With 4K at 30 frames per second, the DR900S 2CH IR offers excellent recording of the road ahead in the daytime and nighttime. Infrared technology allows for clear in-cabin video recording in all light situations, from daytime to complete darkness, making it an excellent choice if you need to record your passengers or anything that goes on inside your vehicle. One of the main concerns of 4K is the video file size, and BLACKVUE addresses this concern by offering the H.265 compression technology as an additional option to the standard H.264. With H.265, your 4K footage file is compressed to the same size as a full HD video. And as with all top-of-the-line BlackVUE products, the DR900S 2CH-IR supports Wi-Fi connectivity. And with the DR900S, BlackVUE has stepped up its game by offering dual-band Wi-Fi support, which means in addition to the standard 2.4 GHz, you also get the faster 5 GHz for downloading as well as live streaming footage. The BlackVUE DR900S 2CH-IR comes with the full range of the BlackVUE over-the-cloud features, giving you the ability to track the vehicle, view footage remotely, communicate with the dashcam via a smartphone in real time, as well as take advantage of the cloud storage. Design-wise, the DR900S 2CH-IR sports the same design as the lower model DR750S 2CH-IR. This is great news for owners of the DR750S, as everything from mount to wiring is fully compatible with the DR900S, making the dashcam upgrade as easy as swapping out the cameras. Coming in at number 2 is another BlackVUE DR900S model, the DR900S 2CH. The main difference between the DR900S 2CH and the DR900S 2CH-IR is simply in-cabin versus rear-of-vehicle recording. The DR900S 2CH captures the rear of the vehicle or the traffic behind in full HD. The two cameras have the same 4K front, the same dual-band Wi-Fi support, and of course, the same impressive spread of cloud features. The BlackVUE DR900S series is without a doubt the most connected 4K dashcam on the market. Finally, no best of 2020 list would be complete without the THINKWARE U1000. Topping our list is the 4K UHD dashcam that was released by THINKWARE in October 2019. While the U1000 continues to impress with its 4K UHD front camera, it's actually the rear camera that sets the U1000 apart from its competitors. THINKWARE is the first manufacturer to push out a 2K QHD rear camera. The other 4K dashcams currently on the market, the BlackVUE DR900S 2CH and the Viofo A129 Pro Dual, only comes with a full HD rear camera. In other words, the U1000 is currently the highest resolution 2-channel dashcam system on the market. If you're wondering how the 2K rear camera compares with the 2K front camera of the THINKWARE Q800 Pro, let's be honest, it's essentially the same camera. THINKWARE basically took the Q800 Pro's front camera hardware, gave it a new casing, and made it a rear camera for the U1000. THINKWARE has always been known for its state-of-the-art parking mode capabilities, and the U1000 certainly does not disappoint, especially when paired with the optional U1000 radar sensor. The radar sensor is designed to enhance the U1000's energy-saving parking mode, allowing to stay asleep longer and delivering a true energy-saving performance. Tag on a Cellink Neo battery pack or the iVolt BAB50, and you can run parking mode for up to 170 hours. That's 7 days! And with THINKWARE Cloud and Advanced Driver Assistance System ADAS on board as standard features, the U1000 is hands down the best dashcam of 2020. We hope you've enjoyed this list, but that's not all. Stay tuned for part 2 of the best dashcam 2020 list, as we will be going over the best budget-friendly alternatives to the dashcams we featured in this video, including our viewers' favorite, the Viofo A129 Pro and the A119 V3. Thanks for watching. And as always, if you have any questions or need more suggestions, you know where to find us. We have new models and dashcams coming out later this year, so be sure to check back as we'll be updating our best of guide and videos every month. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest dashcam news and trends. Thanks for watching.